channel, and we can see the specification of ACEFAST T6 wireless earbuds Bluetooth headphone with ENC noise cancelling transparent earphones, hi-fi dual stereo microphone. So this is what exactly we can see. The color of the earphone is pink in, and the case, charge case also looks transparent. So let's see the specification, because it's actually come under $43. So is it worth it or not? You can see ENC support. That means exactly every earbud does have this feature. LED light feature also, every the main feature of ENC is whenever you walk anywhere, so you will not gonna face any issue during talk. This is what exactly we can see. The dual mic system are placed in earphone. So we have to see the battery backup. So we can't see exactly what exactly the battery backup is. So battery charge case here we can see here 20 hours of with charge case and 5 hours on single charge. That means if you charge your earbuds on a single time, so you will get 5 hours of battery, and if you charge your case to 20 hours of battery, that means that it will last for 1 day. So that means if you're charging your earbuds, if your earbud gives you 5 hours, that means of moderate to heavy usage. So that time means you have to charge 4 times a day if you are using this for regular basis, for that only. And according to the sound, so let's see the customer review, that what exactly we can see. So by that we can understand this product is really good or not, because as we can see, the battery life is good. So customer happy with the quality, comfortable and fit of the headphones. They must have most comfortable size of earbuds. They have also satisfied with the performance. However, some customer differ on sound quality, value, battery life and touch control. Okay, so this is what the somehow I would say the problem is come from the completely refined my audio experience, setting a new consolation ENC mic support. So sound quality, audio of his earbud extraction, this produce clearly and rich sound. Okay, so according what I can see here, for the $43 that you are getting, actually the call experience is very good, and the battery also, because 20 hours of battery that's where and 5 hours of battery you are getting on the from the earbud. So it does mean that it's all true, the specification is all true, and also the call experience also of is very good, because considering the price, if you want to know that, I think that somehow the company should also have to add, because the company only giving the battery backup is very low. So I think that the battery backup is a little low comparing to the price. So yeah, that's it for now. So if you like the video, you can like the video, and you can also subscribe the channel for more videos. Okay, thank you.